Hi, we're Direct Order Blinds, and today we are going to show you how to install your beading bracket FITtoFRAME Honeycomb Blind. The first step is to use the multi-tool, placing the beading brackets A and B within the fork features on the multi-tool. Ensure that the brackets go under the rubber window seal. Brackets should be placed at the positions shown next. Next, place side guide brackets C and D, with the cutout facing out towards the window frame. Slot brackets C and D into the corresponding beading bracket to hold the side guide in place, as shown in the diagram. If your drop is more than 700 mm, side brackets will be needed. Apply side brackets halfway up the window on both sides, using the multi-tool to push them in. When attaching the handles, push flush with the headrail and slide until it has covered the screw block. The cruise logos need to face the same direction as the arrows on the screw blocks. Then, take the cord end caps and place them over the beading brackets. And finally, using the multi-tool again, push the step profile end into the side clips. And there you have it! Your FITtoFRAME honeycomb blind is installed and it can be adjusted to any height preference.